Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to use NordVPN on your PC. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. In case you haven't got NordVPN yet, it's an amazing tool that allows you to browse the internet safely by hiding your IP address and protecting your data, offering you full sense of security. And so, we have an amazing offer just for you. To get the offer, simply scroll down until you see the first link in the description below, or until you see the top pinned comment in the comment section. Click on it and you will see this page right here where you can get to enjoy 75% off your NordVPN's 2-year plan, including 3 months for free. Very simple, very easy. Once you click on here and you'll sign up for it. Now once you install the launcher and log into your account that you made with our special offer, you have this application right here. Now you can have multiple options. As you can see, you have recent connections in case you use it. And then from here you have United States and United Kingdom, or you have all the other countries that you can choose from. And simply you can click on any country that you would like. So for example, let's search for France. And then from here we can open it and then it will auto connect to France right here and will give us a new IP address to connect to. And then from here you can even select certain cities. So you can go to Paris or Strasbourg or Marseille. And that happens with every single country out there. From here you have also the map that you can connect to, so you can zoom into the area and zoom into where you can connect directly from which certain city. And then from here you can go to the protection area where you can turn on the anti-malware or the advanced browser protection or the ad and tracker blocker. And then finally you have your settings in the bottom where you can edit or select which settings that you would like. For example, your profile or your referral code or even general settings for the PC. And from here you have the appearance, your language, and everything essential that you might need. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.